I ain't the marrying kind. It was just in time for Valentine's Day this year.
We said don't do it.
You're as free as a wonder can be, as loose as a tide that won't bind. Any talk of moving in, you'll be gone like the wind, just a trace in some poor boy's mind. You and I are one of a kind, free spirits like us you won't find, like a river that flows or the cold wind that blows. We are meant to be drifters through time. I ain't the marrying kind. You'd have to be out of your mind. I can't hang around or spend that much time. I really ain't the marrying kind. Light up the fire between us, always on each other's mind. Those two words I do don't apply to me and you. You might say we're not the marrying kind. I ain't the marrying kind. You'd have to be out of your mind. I can't hang around or spend that much time. I really ain't the marrying kind. Now you and I, we don't think a lot about tempting fate without getting caught. This might be a joke, where there's some fire, there's smoke. Your intentions are not what I thought. I ain't the marrying kind. You have to be out of your mind. I can't hang around or spend that much time. I really ain't the marrying kind. We both were real careful to say, don't get close, 'cause one day I'll stray. But you gave me the slip, or did I just trip right into your arms one fine day? I ain't the marrying kind. You'd have to be out of your mind. I can't hang around or spend that much time. I really ain't the marrying kind. I ain't the marrying kind. I can't believe she caught me this time. Well, I just wasn't looking, or I might have been blind, 'cause I really ain't the marrying kind. No, I just wasn't looking, or I might have been blind, 'cause I really ain't the marrying kind. No, I just wasn't looking, or I might have been blind, 'cause I really ain't the marrying kind.
Outstanding.
That was awesome. That
Thank
was
you.
rich music.